Hi, welcome to another video by Tabs Life Sciences. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the CSIR UGC net probable dates of the scorecards and the release of the results. So this is a hot topic now among the students because you all guys are basically waiting for the results and also for the scorecards. Now what we have seen over these days that if we look into the timeline of the CSIR UGC net December 2022 and June 2023 merge cycle, we find that the exams were conducted basically on 6th, 7th and 8th June 2023. The answer keys and the response sheets came out on 14th June 2023. That means just after 6 days of the last exam on 8th June, the answer keys and the response sheets were out. Now the challenge acceptance time was 11:59 p.m. of 16th June 2023. So there was 2 days of gap, and after that time, from that time there has been no updates at all from either the NTA or CSIR. As we would proceed into the video, we would say that CSIR has some minor updates, but NTA, who is basically responsible authority for the release of the scorecards, haven't released any kind of notifications or updates since then. So when will the scorecards be released from the NTA and when will your results come out? That is a very important question that we are going to deal up in this video. So what are the key areas that are there in this whole thing of CSIR UGC net 2023? Now scorecards should have come within 1st July to 11th July. That is, this is the basically the time frame in which the scorecards should have come. Now after NTA has been conducting the exams have moved to the CBT mode from the pen and paper mode. So whenever there is a CBT or the computer based test mode, we have seen over these days that the answer keys and the scorecards are released quite early. In the previous days it used to happen that the exams were completely conducted in the pen and paper mode, and that's why it took about a longer time, that means about 2 to 3 months for the release of the results of the scorecards, whatever you say. So scorecard should have come within this time scale. This has been inferred from the last year's exam, that was in September 2022 and February 2022. So it was just 20 to 33 days as per the previous record. That means if after the exam it was just 20 to 33 days, in this time frame the scorecards were declared. And now what we are seeing is there is a huge delay. So now huge delay is there. So what is getting up right now? So we are getting it that the PhD admission windows are getting closed for this session. The various big institutes and the universities are closing their PhD admission windows for this session. That is the spring 2023 or autumn 2023. Whatever, there is a variation among different institutes. But whatever you say, the sessions window for the admission into PhD programs are getting closed, and what is happening with this is the anxiety levels of the aspirants are rising up, and that is also visible in our Telegram group, and that's why I am trying to make this video to feel you all a bit comfortable, because I know what kind of anxiety you people are going through at the moment. So here are the probable inferences that we can draw out from what is going on, what are the exact processes that are going on. So as we know that the exam dates were on 6th, 7th and 8th June, the answer keys were released just 6 days after the last exam, that was on 14th June, and there is a huge delay, as I have said, in the release of the scorecards and the results. But yes, this week may be a markable week for all of you, because in this week the scorecards may get released or may get published by the NTA on the CSIR NTA website. Now, why I am saying this? This is because the result from the CSIR, as we have received updates from them over telephone, they have continuously said that the results would be declared in the last week of July. So this has been a confirmation from the CSIR. They have confirmed us that yes, results would be declared in the last week of July along with the final cutoff. So if the final cutoff and the results are getting declared in the last week of July, we can expect, if the last week of July is between 25 to 30th July, then if this week, that means from 17th to 21st July, that is the working days, we can expect that the scorecards will be out at least 5 to 10 days ahead of the result. So we can expect that in this week, from today to Friday, the results are getting declared. So with this, I am going to end this video. I hope that you have liked this video. Please do share with all your friends who have appeared for this exam, and let's hope that this week brings happiness into all your lives. Thank you and bye bye.